where the Nifty Bank Index is concerned as well. So both of those in tandem still not able to aid the Nifty 50 index. Is that a surprise, Kunal?
It's a big surprise. If you ask me, I think that 180-point advantage which we had for the index was quite a strong advantage. But then again, I think we've tapped back into a resistance point for the Nifty. In the last 5 days, we've tested this range of 25,900-ish on the spot levels, I think 3 times. And all 3 days were intraday or crucial days for the indices, where the expectation was that maybe the markets would probably want to surpass about this 25,900 kind of a zone. And if that happens, we could be looking at a breakout. But then the selling pressure is rising back again at those higher levels. So that's a concern for the index. And this tells you that this resistance levels would generally be taken out only on the back of some event or trigger for the markets. Devoid of that, I think we may have into multiple attempts for the index to break past about those levels, but it may be futile attempts for the markets.
Well, Kunal, at what point can we comfortably say that Nifty can hold above 26K? Because we arrived at that point at some point of time a couple of weeks back, but we've quickly, very, very quickly given away with any hope of hitting and breaching 26K sustainably.
Well, yes, absolutely, Harsh. And I think one of the reasons for that, of course, is the major drop in the larger cap names. And the list of large cap stocks which have fallen down. I think that's the concern for the markets. And we've been making this point over the last 4-5 days also, that till the time the weight of those large cap stocks which have fallen, that continues to drag the index on an overall basis. And you need some strong outperforming stocks to offset this kind of a loss, not just to try and balance the index out, but to try and ensure that the index goes into a turnaround. So as of now, we've just seen the works coming by from the likes of Infosys, for example, which has done reasonably well. So very few large cap stocks which are just about trying to balance the kind of losses the larger cap stocks have shown in the last couple of weeks. That's one of the reasons why the index has been unable to surpass those levels of 25,900 mark. Now, the question is what could trigger the index about those higher levels? That I believe could probably be in terms of events, recovery from large cap names like Reliance, maybe HDFC Bank, because these are two strong stocks, not just in terms of the weightage, but in terms of the sentiments also for the overall markets. And maybe I think if there is a fresh sector participation which comes by, because right now we are just dependent on the likes of banks, IT and metals, which have been doing the heavyweight. Most of the other sectors, pharma, FMCG, etc., these stocks and sectors have gone through a drag and into a corrective phase further. So that's dragging the index on the lower side. So you need strong bit of outperformance from the ones which have been doing very well, as well as strong bit of covering up of the underperformance from the larger cap names like Reliance, HDFC Bank.
Okay.